So in this video, you'll learn how to enable TalkBack mode on your OnePlus 13. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select Accessibility and Convenience. Next, tap on Accessibility, and then you want to select Vision. So go to the section labeled Vision. From here, you should see TalkBack. Just tap on it. Then to enable it, you can just tap on the toggle. And then once you've tapped on the toggle, it will ask you for permission to view and control your screen, as well as view and perform actions. Just tap on allow so that it can be enabled. Once you're in TalkBack mode, this is how you're going to navigate. If you want to scroll up or down, you're going to use two fingers. So you're going to use two fingers to scroll up like this, and two fingers to scroll down like this. If you want to go back, then you want to tap like this on the back button at the top. And then once you've selected it, it's highlighted in this green box. You want to double tap so that you can exit that menu. If you want to go back to the home screen, it's the same thing. Just select the home screen button like that, and then double tap, and it will take you back to the home screen. Then from here, you have even more options that you can use to customize TalkBack. You'll notice that when you press on the volume buttons, you should see the regular volume control, and then you have the one for customizing TalkBack. So just tap on it to select it, then use your two fingers to scroll up or down so that you can increase or decrease the volume of the TalkBack menu. And so that's how you can use TalkBack on your OnePlus 13. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.